Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today is day 55 of vlogging my journey to becoming a funded day trader. So yeah, man. I bought a Alpha Futures funded challenge. So I've bought the standard plan, so like the 50K account. And yeah, man, we literally just been looking at opportunities to trade this week, and we got a trade this morning. I didn't trade for the last three days. Just because like I didn't really get a setup, so I just patiently waited and waited, and today we finally got an opportunity. Ran into a bit of an issue today, so I entered a trade, but then I entered a trade without brackets, so I didn't actually know that on TradingView when you enter a trade that you needed to select that you want to stop loss and take profit. So I literally just kind of freeboard and entered. I got my position size correct. It's just that when I entered the trade, I couldn't really put a stop loss and a take profit and then just fucking go to sleep. You know what I mean? Like that's what I usually would do, because I'm used to MetaTrader, and because like before I would go on MetaTrader and trade, right? But then with futures you can't really do that. So yeah, man, I went on TradingView, and then I was literally just watching it tick by tick, just fucking looking at it, right? And then I had to close the position because I was like, man, it's 4:10 a.m. And then I was thinking, shit, like I'm gonna go to sleep because there's no way I'm gonna be able to stay up till like what 10 a.m. in the morning, which is when like market closes, I believe. So what I ended up doing is I just closed the position once I was in a bit of profit. I think I was like up $400 or something. I was supposed to make I think $1,000 on the day. But anyways, we only closed with $400 profit. I'm honestly not even that mad, to be fair, because the trade was like an all goods trade. Like I feel like it was a good setup. Um, yeah, so I made a journal entry on the trade as well, so I'll just show you guys that. Um, Let me just run through the trade that I took. So yeah, I've also been doing this thing where I journal, not even journal, it's kind of like I just write down like my thought process like on the chart as I'm like looking at the candlesticks, right? So I have like this here, which is, before market open, what I see before market open on NQ, ES. So obviously I write 4 hours bearish, 1 hour bullish, all that shit, and then my thoughts, like, and then I would say like kind of like what I want to see the market doing, right? I don't know. This I've low-key just been doing this recently, and man, it's been helping me out like quite a bit, just to like kind of get my thoughts in order and help me think more clearly. I don't know, it's just helped me, I don't know if you guys do this kind of thing, but I don't know, it's just kind of really helped me recently. So anyways, so these are all my thoughts, and then after market open, like, so as I'm watching the candles, like after market open, right, I'll be writing down what my thoughts are. Yeah, so I stopped as soon as I entered the trade because the only reason why is because, bro, like I was so stressed out when I couldn't put a stop loss and a take profit. So what I ended up doing is I just literally just fucking stared at the candles like a hawk. Like literally, it was so bad. And then once we got like above a 1 hour high, I was like, okay, shit, I'm just gonna close the position and then just go to sleep because there's no way I'm gonna be able to stay up, right? But yeah, I'll just go over the trade that I took. So yeah, so on the 4 hour we were bearish, right, coming into market open, and then on the 1 hour we were bullish, and yeah, so pretty much like after market opened on ES, at least we got this 1 hour. Oh, sorry, this is the Nasdaq. Sorry, yep. So we got the 1 hour liquidity low taken out here, and then the London low as well, and then we got this 4 hour low, and that is also the Asia low, right? And then this another 1 hour low. Before this was all before my entry, right? And then I saw price moving upwards here, right? And then we got I think a breaker structure on ES. So on ES was a bit more bit less volatile than NQ today, at least like before aftermarket open, right? And then what we got here is in ES only took out the 1 hour slash London low, right? And then we saw like a very like big displacement up, and then we retraced into these two fair value gaps here. We also got an inverse fair value gap as our first confluence as well. So like these were very, very like bullish conditions. And yeah, I just kind of waited for price to break above like these two bodies, which is like the highest point of like that displacement, right? And then yeah, so we broke above that, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. But yeah, that would have been my position for today. I ended up closing the trade around I think around here I was. Just because like I said, like I couldn't put a take profit or a stop loss, right? Usually, even though like this 1 hour high was formed like after our entry, like at like 4 a.m., right? I still wouldn't have changed it, but the only reason I closed it is because I couldn't set a stop loss or a take profit, right? And so yeah, I would have had my TP up here at that 1 hour high. But yeah, unfortunately, we only closed with $400 profit today. I'm not super mad because like I'm low-key like, you know, I learned something today because I know for a fact that going into my next session, and if I am entering a trade, like I just need to like check the boxes for a stop loss and a take profit, right? So that's all I need to do. So yeah, I mean my trade would have hit, like, so if we drag it out here, like I would have hit my take profit at like 6:50 a.m. Like bro, I'm up at like 3:30 a.m. to 4:10 a.m. I'm literally dying to sleep, right? So I'm not fucking waiting till like 6:50 a.m. And like imagine watching all of these like candlesticks form. Like your psychology would be fucked. Like I would be fucked watching this shit. So yeah, man, I ended up just closing the trade a bit earlier today. But hopefully next trade, we can obviously, not even hopefully, I'm gonna fucking do it. But we can go into the next trading session with actually putting a stop loss and a take profit, right? It's just that I'm not used to trading on TradingView. That's the only issue, because I used to, like I said before, like I used to trade on MT5 when I used to trade the CFDs. And yeah, so with futures it's a bit different. So yeah, man, good day overall. Like I haven't really done anything wrong today. It's just the fact that I didn't set a stop loss or a take profit. But yeah, and you know we've also got our journal entry for today. So this is my 2026 trading journal, right? So yeah, that's how much I made. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on the next trading day I take a trade. So as of now, we are up $400 on the 50K evaluation, right? So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are already a subscriber, I truly appreciate every single one of you watching my videos. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.